How to make a face mask. So the ending face mask will look like this. So to make a face mask, you'll need plastic hanger straps, some hair elastics, some zip ties, some binding covers, and scissors. This hole punching tool is recommended but not required. You'll need to cut out 2 pieces of the plastic hanger strap. You'll need 22 holes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just cut it right there, and we have 2 of these. So make sure to round out the edges so you don't cut yourself. So now we'll be connecting these 2 together using a zip tie. We'll be putting it on the outside. Make sure that when you insert the zip tie, it goes in the right way. So you want to make sure that the block is facing this way. Put in the zip tie like that, and make sure to leave 3 holes on the side. We'll do the same on this one. Again, make sure the zip tie is facing the right direction. Pull it tight, and then cut these off. Next, we'll be attaching the band for the head. So we'll take one of these. You see this hard part here in the middle of the band? We want to cut right there. And then we'll push it through the holes on the edge here. I recommend using the scissors to help push it through. Once we've pushed it through, we'll tie ourselves a knot. And then tighten the knot. Then we'll do the same on the other side. Like that. So then next we'll be attaching the face cover. So we'll find a zip tie, skip 2 holes, and then we align this here. We'll take our hole puncher and then punch 2 holes. Be careful not to poke yourself. Then we'll take a zip tie, take it from the back, and then we'll thread it through the hole that we aligned to, and then these 2 holes. We'll do the same on the other side. Okay, then we'll cut off the extra ends. And then we'll add 2 extra zip ties in the middle for support. So skip 2 holes again, punch a hole, punch a hole another next to it, skip 2 holes, punch another 2 holes. Cut off the extra parts. Now for safety, we are going to trim off the corners and make them round.